Okay.
Jugo.
What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Who knows where that went?
Right there.
What do we got here today, Jason?
A thing that makes noises.
So we have DNA because you know.
The anus.
Yeah, the anus, and also you have to have your right DNA for the right car. You know, motor racing or yeah, that's what that says.
You sure?
Yeah. It's supposed to be that.
You like my job, my tape job?
Anyway, this was already pre-opened because of people that get too excited. But here we got DNA motoring exhaust from, where did you buy it?
Amazon.
Amazon. We'll put a link down below on the video.
Because it was only like $100.
That's cool. Hey, we should put this on the floor.
I'll let you figure that out. Because you're in the abyss of your house.
Alright, guys. So this is the DNA motoring
Catback thing.
catback exhaust, 3-inch catback exhaust for a, what's the earliest year for your car?
2015.
2015, and the latest year.
2020.
So yeah, WRX.
Uh-huh.
Bada bing, bada boom. And you know they're professional. When you see these welds, look at this. These are nice. Excuse me, miss. You should have recorded that.
I missed it.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my God! Where are you running away from?
Okay, yeah. Keep
So
going.
this is big pipa.
Yeah.
That's bigger pipa. Because pipes. You gotta lay down that pipe. Alright, so yeah, that's, I think this would be
Mid pipe,
mid pipe.
if I'm correct.
Yeah. Or, then we got
Indeed, I am.
then we got the bend. Yeah, that goes from cat to bend, then to this one, something like that, and then to this one. Oh, obviously we don't know the. Where's the bolts?
In the car.
Alright, and then we got big cannon. You go cardboard because cardboard is heat resistant when it's wet. You know, that's why they use it for glass making. They use cardboard and newspaper. So that, oh dang, that's a big boy. It's like my Subaru, my Forester.
We gotta take the silencer off though.
Huh?
We gotta take that silencer off though.
Yeah. We'll do that when
Because
it's on the car.
silencer.
Actually, we should do that before the car.
Well, I want to hear it with the silencer. See if it makes any difference.
Yeah, but let's do that another day. Put it right here. Okay. Alright, well,
Alright.
that's pretty much just the unboxing.
So, do we go?
Yeah, that's pretty much just the unboxing. Now let's get to it.
This is not a drift car kit.
You treat it like one.
Sometimes.
Alright guys, this is how it sounds like with, well, not the stock exhaust because we kind of modified it, but pretty stockish. I mean, it has the resonator and it just has a muffler delete, but it still has the resonator. So this is what it sounds like right now. Guys, well, that's what it sounds like. Yeah, just a little before, and we're gonna start working on the car, and I'll show you an after that. Mira, el Spooky. He's Spooky guy just went underground because Spooky, he's doing his spooky tuning He's sponsored by like nobody, but like everybody at the same time.
Because it's fun. Oh. Snap-on tools. You see how beautiful snap-on tools are?
Yeah, you use snap on to snap it off.
You know what we should have thought of before we started this?
What?
Safety first.
For our eyes?
Safety is #1 priority. Okay. How exactly was this tied on you?
Yeah, just like that.
Okay, you know what? Where are the pliers at? Oh, come on!
Why did we make such a good hanger? It's better than factory.
Jesus.
Alright, take this one off. You can just cut it up here.
Yeah, I was gonna do that.
Oh no, don't use my...
Okay, well, there's #1.
So that's what you take off first on your car. Well, also taking off this one that comes over here where the tow hook is, because
Yeah.
this car comes twin.
Two.
Yeah.
But
I feel like this is gonna chop off my head at one point. How do we get to it?
to that, we didn't jack it up
There's
in
a
the right
there's
spot.
a hanger there.
Yeah, but we didn't
And
jack
then
that up in the right spot.
Just crawl down there.
I don't fit there.
Yeah, you do. If I do, you do.
I don't know how to. Okay. Alright, safety. Well, there goes my safety. Jesus.
This is the most exaggerated crawling I've ever seen.
Impact in here.
I would do a monkey wrench on the other side and then impact on the side that's open, cause you're gonna end up having a hard time.
I can't. This one doesn't fit. Oh my god, that is sketchy. It's spring loaded.
Yeah, nothing will happen.
Ah, I'm collapsing. Grab that. I'm dying.
Hold on, I can't reach. You're gonna have to. I have T-Rex arms.
Ouch. Hurry, I have a cramp. Do I need to pull you out?
Is that a yes or a no?
Wait, what?
Do I need to pull you out?
I think.
Alright guys, so we got the, let me turn off this light. We got the exhaust finally out. Jason's just taking off the hanger. Here's the hanger. Jason's just taking off the hanger down there.
Oh, yeah.
What if they make you give the car back and you can't put the exhaust back on?
Well, then, too bad for them. Oh, what the freak is going on here?
You have to take it off from there, no? Is it out?
Ah, no. Alright, I'm gonna help him real quick.
This is basically where we're at right now.
Well,
Just
if you get a cheap, if you make your own cheap
Boom.
exhaust, this is what
boom,
happens.
boom, boom. I'm playing with the zoom.
Oh, nice. If you make a cheap exhaust, this is what happens.
Yeah, but it worked for a while. It was temporary, like a month temporary, and then
PVC blast.
all right. Mid pipe is this one. Yeah, it's this one because this one bolts onto the catback portion. This one is the bend, and that's the top. When you buy this kit, you're gonna have the bolt is gonna be a 5/8, and the nut is gonna be a 14. I think. Let me see. Oh no, it's gonna be a 9/16.
Well, it's a 14.
9/16.
9/16, 14, same thing.
Whatever doesn't spin on you.
That's a big Mamaduka right there. That's gonna make the wettest of your dreams, kid.
Could you give me a napkin or something?
I'll see. Okay, so what you got there, big Mamaduka?
Yes, Mamaduka.
That thing's the size of a baby. Big Mama Duka, stop hitting it.
He said stop hitting it. And the first thing I do is ding.
Oh my god.
Oh, I need the gasket.
Oh wow.
It's inside the car, in the passenger.
I wanna listen to this thing.
I know you're impatient. You could have waited till the weekend to do this.
No, I couldn't. I'm sick of hearing down the damn highway every time I drive. Snap on? You smell like everything in between that's going wrong with the world. Oh, I'm gonna drive home and it's not gonna pterodactyl on me anymore. Oh, you almost beat your face up when I got that on camera.
No, you didn't.
I'm also getting your Hurricane Katrina right now. This is a good shot of it.
Yeah, people thought Hurricane Katrina stopped a long time ago.
No, it's right there.
It's like traveling around the world right now.
Or around Colorado at least.
Yeah. And then you get another cramp on your shoulder.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, if you're not getting a cramp in your shoulder or
You're not
anywhere of
doing it
your body, you're not doing the install right.
At all.
Yeah.
I think you're doing it wrong.
Yeah, I think somewhere in the instructions it says cramps included. Final stage. Finally.
We made it to Fat Mamaduka with a PHAT, not the FAT. Hanger goes on there, and the other fat hanger goes on over here. Right there where he's doing it. And just kind of squeeze it in because Subaru, if you can. There you go. Okay.
Alright guys, what do you think?
Took forever.
This is what it looks like. Oh, we should finish cutting this off. Like
Mondo.
no, like I was gonna say, what if we fix your bumper by cutting this line right here like that, so that it looks like it's OEM.
Sure.
Yeah, let's do that real quick. Let's get the drum. Alright guys, this is what the exhaust looks like now. It has a big hole for it because Subaru.
Don't even question it.
Yeah, I mean, it was mainly because it's melted and we try to make it look good. Well, at least it looks good from far away now. And oh, and now you can see all the can, not just the tip, which is cool. All right, let's clean up and then we'll do a sound clip. All right. No, you turned it on just when I started recording. That's better than before. It smells like Bondo, right? All right, let's go get gasoline and check engine lights on. All right, guys, we're doing a little test drive right now. Let's see how it sounds in the main roads. We did end up getting a little check engine light, but we're gonna go see an advanced what that's all about, see if we can fix it and see what we have to do.
Gagalina first?
I think advanced first, that way we can just go around in a big circle. All right. if we do a flyby, I'll put that clip right now. If not, then peace out, subscribe and like, and please, comment down below or just like the video, because we gotta keep doing this kind of stuff. No, yeah, this is fun stuff we gotta keep doing, and I need an upgrade from my phone, so give me some motivation. All right, peace out.